It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Jamaica's most wanted killed in St. James. Enough respect to the security forces.
Jamaica's Grammy Kid Coffee has the place on lockdown with her new single. Over 1 million views in 24 hours. Got a coffee 3 million now, like in the space of like 3 days. That's crazy.
Drizzy Drake dissing Mavado in his new track.
With pop skull in Gaza, but not that Gaza, but still it's a Maza. On peace like a Saba, but we let bridge them burn like grabber.
Really? Let's hear how the Gully God claps back. That's interesting.
Tommy Lee had to be taken to hospital earlier this week from lockup as he wasn't feeling so well. His lawyers are working on getting him released, but no word on that yet.
And finally holding the spot this week, Kanye. Now, we know that he has bipolar disorder, but his rants over the week at his presidential rally and on Twitter need to be monitored.
My mom saved my life. There would have been no Kanye West because my dad was too busy.
I mean, they try, but there's so much and no more they can do. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment.